Students, we are now in chapter 4 Life Mathematics. This is a part 1 session in this chapter. Students, why the chapter name is Life Mathematics means here we are going to learn about what are the concepts we are dealing in the day-to-day life. All the concept together they are given in one chapter, which is the Life Mathematics. Okay, clear? In this chapter, we are going to learn about percentage, interest, simple interest, compound interest, profit, loss, then what is inverse proportion, then what is compound variation, and how to solve the time duration. Like that, all the day-to-day concept we are going to learn in this one chapter, which is Life Mathematics. Clear? Now, in this chapter, the first concept we are going to deal about percentage. Clear? First, we are going to learn about what concept? Percentage. We see the ending. Application of percentage in word problem. Okay, how to apply the percentage in word problem we are going to learn in the first exercise. Clear? See, when I say percentage, immediately what your mind thinks, say student? Yes, when I say percentage, you will be thinking about 100. Isn't it? Percent means per 100 or out of 100 we can say. Clear students? It is denoted by a symbol like this percentage symbol we are denoting. Clear? Suppose x percentage we are giving. So that how can we denote? X percentage can be denoted the fraction x by 100. Here, usually if you see in your paper, the test paper or exam paper, we will be representing how the mark divided by 100. So out of 100, you have secured 99 means. So 99 is your mark. Isn't it? So sometimes they can write it as 99 percentage also. Which means what? You have got for 199. Clear? Clear students? Now this based upon the concept only we are going to learn in the exercise 4.1. In that the first question is fill in the blanks so that you can do by yourself. I am going to start from the second problem. Clear? Fill in the blanks. How I am teaching this exercise based on that same model only you have to work out. Clear? We will start the second question. Rewrite each underlined part using percentage language. Okay? In each question they have underlined certain words. That words we have to use percentage language. Okay, we have to apply their percentage and we have to say the answer in the percentage format. Clear? Shall we see the first question? One of. Here they have underlined word is one of. One of the cake is distributed to the children. What they are saying? One of means what? 1 by 2. So this word we have to take and we have to write it in the percentage language. So 1 of means 1 by 2. Percentage means into 100. Into 100 percentage. So if I cancel 2 table 100, how many times it will come? 2 50s are 100. So this is 2 1 times 100 will come 50. So 1 into 50 is 50 percentage. Okay, so 50 percentage of the cake is distributed to the children. Okay, this is the percentage language. Clear? Now, see in the next question. Aparna scored 7.5 out points out of 10 in a competition. Which means how much marks she has secured? Out of 10, she has got 7 and off. 7.5 means 7 and off marks she has got for out of 10. That how can we say that in percentage? 7.5 out of 10, she has got 7.5 into 100 percentage. Clear? So 7.5 into this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Okay, remaining what will be left? Only 10, isn't it? See, I have cancelled 1 0. The remaining is 7.5 into 10 percentage. When I multiply 7.5 into 10, I am getting 75.0. Clear? So 7.50 means which is what? 75 percentage. Clear? Now see the third question. The statue was made up of pure silver. What they were saying? One statue they are making, it is made up of what? Pure silver. So in this question they have not given what is the quantity. Isn't it? Whether they have given any number in the question, they have not given. But instead of that, they have given the word pure. Pure means immediately we will be thinking about 100. Isn't it? 100 percentage. Pure means 100 we will be thinking. So here they have not given any quantity. So we itself take 1. So 1 into 100 percentages, the answer is 100 percentage. Clear? See the fourth subdivision. 48 out of 50 students participated in sports. So totally 50 students are there. Out of 50, how many were participated? 48 of them are participated. Isn't it? So 48 by 50 into 100 percentage. Clear? See, 48, 50 and 100 if I cancel, how many times I will get? 2. Isn't it? I'll cancel and show you. See, I have cancelled here. What answer I am getting? If I cancel, 0, 0 will get go. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So I am getting 48 into 2. That percentage I have written. So 48 into 2 was 96 percentage. Clear? We will see the fifth subdivision. Only 2 persons out of 3 will be selected in the interview. 3 persons are coming for the interview, but out of the 3, how many were selected? 2 of them are selected. So how can we write this? 2 by 3 into 100 percentage. Clear? So, and we cannot able to cancel here. So, I am straightly multiplying. 2 into 100 is 200. 3 into 1 is divided by 3 and percentage. When I am dividing 3 with 200, I am getting 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 2. Again, I am writing 6 3s are 18. So, we are writing the answer in the mixed fraction. Okay, so which is 66. What is the remainder? 2. What is the quotient? What is the divisor? 3. So, this is 66 2 by 3 percentage. Quotient into remainder divided by divisor. So, the answer is 66 2 by 3 percentage. Clear all of you? See, each word they have underlined, in each question they have underlined certain words. So that word alone we have taken and we have used there in the percentage language. Clear students all of you? How we have did the second question? Yes, these are all. Second question is also a 1 mark question only. Clear? Next we will go for the third question. See the question. 48 is 32 percentage of which number? Do you know that number in the question? We don't know that number. Which number? They were asking us to find. Clear? So we don't know the number. I have told you previously, when you don't know any number, we have to consider that as x. Isn't it? So, let the number be x we are taking. Okay, this is a solution part. We will see that now. In the question they are given 32 percentage of which number they have given. We don't know that number. They have taken as x, isn't it? So the 32 percentage of that number they have given, no, that is x. So 32 percentage of x is equal to 48. They are given, isn't it? Whenever they are given of, that will be considering into multiply. Clear? 32 percentage means what? 32 by 100. Of means into. X equal to 48. We need this x value, isn't it? So, I am doing here 100 cross multiply. Before that, I am straightly multiplying. 32 into x is 32x divided by 100 equal to 48. The next step, I am cross multiplying this 100. So, then 32 will come down, isn't it? We are keeping x alone here. So, 48 into 100 divided by 32. When I cancelling, I am getting the quotient only 3 into 50. Remainder part it has become 1. So, x equal to 3 into 50. When I am multiplying, I am getting x equal to 150. Therefore, the required number is 150. Which number they have asked? No, that number is what now? 150 is that number. Here students, all of you, the second question and third question. Students, we will see now fourth question. See the question. What is 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400? What is the question? What is 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400? What is the answer they were asking? Students, I told you whenever in between if you are having of, you have to put multiply symbol, isn't it? So, first we have to find from the last, which is of 30 percentage of 400. First we have to find in this. Okay, now we will find 30 percentage of 400 first. See the solution. First 30 percentage of 400 is equal to 30 percentage means how can we write 30 by 100 of, I told you have to put multiply symbol into 400. Clear all of you? Then what we can do now? The 20 will get cancelled, isn't it? So what will be left here? 30 into this 4. So 30 into 4 if you multiply, what we will get? Yes, 3 4s are 12. This 0 we have to write. So 30 percentage of 400 answer is 120. Clear? Next, what we have to do means 25 percentage of what 30 percentage of 400 answer we have got? 120, isn't it? So 25 percentage of 120 we have to find. Clear? Because 30 percentage of 400 answer we have got as 120. So we are going to find next 25 percentage of this answer. What is that answer? 120. So 25 percentage of 120 is equal to 25 percentage means 25 by 100. Of means I told you have to put multiply symbol into 120. Then this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 12 and 10 will go in the same 2 table. Isn't it? 12 will come in the 2 table how many times? 6 times. So I have written here 6. 10 will come in 2 table how many times? 5 times. Isn't it? So 5 2s are 10. Then again this 5 and 25 we can cancel. So how many times? 1 5s are 5. This is 5 5s are 25. Clear? Now what is left in the numerator? Numerator we are having only 5 into 6. In denominator we are having 1. It is understood that if you are not writing also. Clear? So 5 6 are 30. So the answer for the 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400 is equal to, the final answer is 30. Okay, students, like this type of problem if they are giving, you should not start from the first. We have to come from the last only. Clear all of you? Clear the fourth question. Next, we'll go for the fifth question. See the fifth question. If a car is sold for rupees 2 lakhs from its original face of rupees 3 lakhs, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. Okay, students, they were buying the car for 3 lakhs. Okay, after some period, they were selling that car. That time they are selling for the amount 2 lakhs. Okay, they were asking how much percentage of value the car has been decreased. They were asking in the question. Clear? We'll start the solution. Original price is what? Rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, how much rupees they were selling the car? They were selling for rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, first how much amount decreased? First that we have to find. So how can we find decreased amount? Only if we subtract this two amount, we can know the decreased amount, isn't it? So 3 lakhs minus this 2 lakhs, if we subtract, we will get how much? The decreased amount is 1 lakh. Okay, in the question, they were not asking the decreased amount, but they were asking the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. In percentage, they were asking the final answer. So, how can we write? Means percentage of decrease is equal to this decrease amount divided by original price into 100%. Clear? So, what is the decrease amount we are having? Rupees 1 lakh. Okay, the decrease amount we have got 1 lakh divided by original price of the car is what? 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakhs. Write that into 100%. Okay, see, I have cancelled all the zeros and the remaining left is in the numerator is 100. So, I have written here 100 divided by denominator we are having only 3. Okay, so when I am dividing 100 by 3, see I have divided in the side 100 I have divided with 3. So, how many times 3? 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So, bring this 0 down. Again 3 3s are 9. Okay, so how we are going to write? The remainder is 1. So, how I am writing? The quotient 33, what is the remainder? 1 divided by divisor 3. So 33 1 by 3 percentage is the answer. Clear? So this is the value of percentage decrease in the car. Clear, students? All of you, the fifth question. Students, see the sixth question. If the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of the number. Students, I told you in the beginning itself, sum, S-U-M, sum means you have to do plus. Difference means we have to do minus, I told you. Isn't it? We have to do subtract, I told you. Isn't it? What they were saying? The difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5 they have given. They are saying of a number of the same number. What number is that? We know that? We don't know that what number. So, whenever we don't know any number, we will be assuming that as x. Isn't it? So, what I am going to do means, they are given 75% of a number. That number we don't know. Okay. So, we have to take it that as x. So, 75% of a number. Of that number we don't know. I have written as x. They were saying in the question difference. Difference means we have to do subtract. So I have written in between minus symbol of 60% of the same number. So what number we have taken here? The same number here also you have to write. Clear? So 60% of x. The answer what they were given? 82.5. Clear how I have written? Then next step. 75% means how can we write? 75 by 100. Of means into x minus 60%, 60 by 100 of into x equal to 82.5. Here also we are having x, here also in B we are having x. Both the terms we are having x, so that we can take x commonly out. See, I have taken x commonly out. In between I have written inside 75 by 100 minus 60 by 100 into x equal to 82.5. Okay, so 75 minus 60, if we subtract, what we will get? We will get new denominators are same. So we no need to take any LCM, we no need to do any cross multiplication. Straightly we can subtract the numerator. 75 minus 60 is 15 divided by 100 into x equal to 82.5. Here, if you see in the next step, we need only the x value, isn't it? So, I am going to keep the x value in the LHS part. And this 15 by 100, it will go to that side. That time it will become reciprocal. Okay, it will come in the divide form only, no. So, for divide, another divide if you are having, you will be getting reciprocal. So, we can straightly write x equal to 82.5 into, when it become reciprocal, 100 by 15. Okay, if we multiply 82.5 into 100, what we will get? 8250 by 15. Both I have cancelled in 3 table. Okay, so now if you see, if you cancel in 3 table, how many times? We are cancelling in 5 table, not in 3 table. First, I am cancelling in the 5 table. 5 table, 15, how many times it will come? It will come 3 times. Isn't it? 3 5s are 15. Similarly, 5 table, I am cancelling 8250. So, 1 5s are 5. Remaining 3, it will go here. So, it becomes 32. So, 6 5s are 30. Again, 2 will be here. So, 5 5s are 25 and 0 I have written. Okay. Again I am cancelling 3 and 1650 in 3 table. 1 3s are 3. Here 16, how many times it will come? 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1 is there. No. So again 15 we have got. 5 3s are 15. Then 0. So after cancelling I have got x equal to 550. So let the number they were saying, no, that number is what now? 550. Okay, still in the question they were asking, then find 20% of the number. Okay, now we know this of the number they have given. No, that number now we know. What is that number? That number is 550. So they are asking 20% of 550 answer. Clear? So, the 20% of 550, how can we write? 20 by 100 of means into 550. We can cancel this 0 and 0 and what we will get? Similarly, this 0 and this 0 we can cancel. Remaining is 2 into 55 will be having. Isn't it? So, 2 into 55 we multiply, we will get 110. Isn't it? I will cancel and show you the zeros. See, I have cancelled the 0, which is 2 into 55. If you multiply, we will get 110. So, the answer for 20% of the number is 110. Clear all of you? Clear all of you the 6th problem? Next, we will go for the 7th problem. Okay. a number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Students, what they were saying, a number is increased by. Increased means you have to put plus. Okay. If you see in the 8th question, the same type of question but one different will be there. What does that mean? Instead of increased in the 8th question, they have given decreased. So the 8th problem, the same type we are going to do as homework, but the slight difference is instead of this here plus, we have to put minus. Increased means you have to put plus, decreased means you have to put minus. Clear? Now we'll start the 7th question. A number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Students, if you see, they were given here also, find the number. What number we don't know, so we are assuming it as let the number be x. Okay, a number when increased by 18% we get 236, they are given in the question. So that number we have taken as x. Increased means plus 18% of x. Okay, equal to what number we will get, they have given 236. So x plus 18% means 18 by 100 into x. Of means into x equal to 236. Next step, x. There are no denominator, so I have written here 1. Plus 18 into x is 18x divided by 100 is equal to 236. The next step, I am doing the cross multiplication. Okay, yeah, because here the denominators are different. So 100 into x is 100x. Plus 1 into 18x is 18x divided by 100s are 100 equal to 236. Clear? So 100 plus 18 is 118x equal to 236 into 100. Clear? So 118x equal to, if you multiply, what we will get? 23,600. So that number we have to divide with 118. See, after cancelling, what answer I have got now? Finally I have got 200. So the required number of x is 200. Find the number they have given. No, that number is what now? That number is the 200. Clear, students, all of you, the 7th question? The same type 8th question. Okay, that you are going to do as homework. Okay, instead of this 7th question, increased they have given, no. But in the 8th question, they have given as decreased. So, I told you if decreased comes, we have to do in between minus sign. So, the step remaining and all, everything same only. Here. So, same type you have to do the 8th problem homework. Clear, students? Students, in Life Mathematics Part 1 session, in exercise 4.1, we are going to do the assignment, which is first question. In that exercise 4.1, the first question is what? Fill in the blanks. Students, don't blindly copy the answer from the book bag. Okay, you have to work out all the answers in the book, in the side itself. Okay, if you see the book, they have given some space in near to the fill in the blanks. Isn't it? Some blank space is there. So there you have to work out for each answer. Then only you have to write the answer. Final answer. Clear? I will check you. Don't copy the back answer. Book back answer, don't copy. Clear? I have taught you all the models, how to solve it. So according to that, you have to solve the fill in the blanks. Clear? Students, what I told you, if 30% of x they are given, so of means what I told you, into, isn't it? So 30% of x is 150. Like that they were giving means how we have to write this, and I will give you the 30% of x means 30% of means x is 150 means you have to put equal to 150. 30% means how we have to write 30 by 100 into x is equal to 150. Then if you need this x value means you have to take this 30 by 100 to the that side. So that time it will become reciprocal and you have to find the x value. Okay, according to that you have to see, you have to work out. Clear? Now, if you see the 8th question, that is also homework that you are going to do as like the 7th question. Okay, I'll read the question. Now see, a number when decreased by 20% gives 80 they have given. So, if you see in 7th question, we have seen about increased, but here they have given decreased. Only the difference is you have to change the sign. Okay, you have to put in between minus. Find the number they have given. So, the first line you have to write, let the number be x. Then according to that, you have to do the remaining sum. Clear students? Only the fill in the blanks and only 1/8 question that you are going to do as homework for your part 1 session. Clear? Clear students? Students, maintain your classwork neatly. Don't scribble it. Clear? Yeah, all the calculation, cancellation, where I have divided everything you have to do it in your classwork in the side using pencil. Okay, when I am cancelling the number, no, that also you have to do it in your classwork. Only then you can understand what table we have cancelled. Clear? Yes, students, do the homework and maintain the classwork neatly. Clear? Thank you, students.